I'm Shari Cormody, and I'm building Redford 3A. There's not just one part that's the best. I mean, everyone I've dealt with has been fabulous, from the salesperson to the design center to the various people I've met here in the store. So there's just not one thing. I've built a custom home before, and I had a wonderful experience, and I'm looking forward to this exceeding that. I can tell just by looking at the various models. It was a hard decision picking the model that I ended up going with, but it's the quality. You definitely owe it to yourself to peruse the various models. And I did some homework, after I went and looked at the models. So I know some maybe questionable comments, but I didn't find that to be the case with me. But I think anybody that's in the market of a new home, they owe it to themselves to look at Shaw Homes.